Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Arknight Endfield game crashing or not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, or showing black screen or other issues on Android phone. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your phone. This is an important step, so don't mess it out. You simply have to press volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If so, you are suggested to restart your router once if you are using Wi-Fi, or move to mobile data or do vice versa, and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, try to open it and check if it's opening or not. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, you should also check whether the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, or if you cannot find the game or if you cannot launch the game, then you are suggested to install a VPN and then try to launch the game. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of them, and after installing them, now change the location and then try to install the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are also suggested to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings, go below. Here you have to click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. Now if the issue still occurs, you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Arknights Endfield game and click on the install option, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.